Hello dear students, today we are going to discuss about the advantages of cloud computing. As already we know the definition of cloud computing, the service models and the deployment models of the cloud computing. In this lecture today we are going to talk about some advantages of cloud computing. So the first advantage of cloud computing is scalability. Scalability. When we talk about the scalability, basically cloud computing gives a room to users. It easily allows users to scale up the resources or to downgrade the resources based on the need or based on the demand. So we can say based on the demand, cloud computing allows users to easily scale the resources. The second advantage of cloud computing is cost efficiency. Cost efficiency. Again, cloud computing typically operates on pay as you go model. As we already know this model, pay as you go. So pay as you go model, where users only pay for the resources they consume. That means this eliminates the need of large upfront investments in hardware and allows businesses to better manage the IT budget. That means again, cloud computing is one of the beneficial product in terms of cost efficiency. Number third is accessibility. So when we talk about the accessibility, again, cloud services can be accessed from anywhere in the world with the help of an internet connection, which is provided to users, or this internet connection providing users with greater flexibility and mobility. So this accessibility enables remote work or collaboration across different locations, or we can say an easy access to data and applications across the globe with the help of an internet connection. So only an internet connection can help us in accessing databases across the world. Number four in the advantage category of cloud computing comes reliability and availability. Reliability and availability. So when we talk about the reliability and availability, cloud providers typically offer high levels of uptime and reliability, backed by the robust infrastructure and taken care of the redundancy measures. And ultimately this ensures that critical applications and data are available whenever they are needed, minimizing the downtime. Indirectly we can say it minimizes the downtime and especially downtime and disruptions. Number fifth in the category of advantage of cloud computing is security. as compared to the traditional computing. When we talk about the security of the cloud computing, while security concerns are often cited as barriers to cloud adoption, but reputable cloud providers invest heavily on security measures to protect their users' data, and this includes the encryption, identity, and access management, and compliance certifications are there in place. In many cases, cloud providers can offer better security than what individual organizations can achieve on their own. That is again the benefit of the cloud computing. Then comes to the sixth benefit of cloud computing, which is automatic updates and maintenance. Cloud basically, or cloud providers handle the maintenance part of the cloud computing and updates of the underlying infrastructure and software as well. That means they are freeing up the IT staff from routine tasks, and this ultimately allows organizations to focus on innovations. When you are saving the time, your focus will move to innovations and specifically strategies, or we can say strategic initiatives, rather than spending a lot of time on doing the maintenance of the network or operational activities. So cloud takes care of that. That is again one of the advantage of cloud computing. Number 7 advantage of cloud computing is disaster recovery and business continuity. So when we talk about the disaster recovery, cloud computing offers built-in redundancy and backup solutions that makes them, or making it easier for organizations to recover from disasters such as hardware failures, database breach, or natural disasters, specifically natural disasters. Disasters. So cloud based disaster recovery solutions can be most cost effective and reliable than the traditional backup methods. Again, one of the beautiful advantage of cloud computing. Then the eighth advantage of cloud computing is collaboration and productivity. So, cloud based tools and applications enable seamless collaboration among team members. Those who are using the cloud computing are allowing them to work on a documentation, projects, or tasks in a real time from anywhere at the same time. Different employees or different group of people can work on a single project at the same time. That is the beauty of cloud computing. This enhances the productivity and teamwork, leading to faster decision making and innovations indirectly. That is again the fantastic advantage of cloud computing. And with this advantage of cloud computing, we are concluding this session today. We'll see you in the another lecture. Till then, take care. Goodbye.